With that, let's also get you the breaking news that's coming in at the moment. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has now responded to the top court's verdict, saying she will accept the judgment of the Supreme Court, but she cannot welcome the verdict given by the top court, saying she stands with the candidates. She's also gone on to say she will call fresh applications through SSC. 1 lakh vacancies in schools and colleges is what she's promising. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also alleging conspiracy. Remember, the Supreme Court had upheld the dismissal of 25,000 teachers in this particular teacher recruitment case that was being taken up by the top court. A huge setback for Mamata Banerjee that came in today from the top court. Now the Chief Minister responding, saying she has to accept it, but she cannot welcome the top court's verdict, and that she will make sure that through SSC she will call for fresh applications.
বাংলাকে আর কত টার্গেট করবে? ঢাপামের কেসে কি হয়েছে? মধ্যপ্রদেশে 50-এর উপর লোককে খুন করা হয়েছে। কি শাস্তি হয়েছে অপরাধীদের? আমাদের এই কেসে তো সিবিআই এডুকেশন দেন এডুকেশন মিনিস্টারকে জেলে রেখে দিয়েছেন আজকে অনেক দিন হয়ে গেল। ওই সে নিয়ে তো আমরা একটা কথাও কখনো বলিনি। তো একই অপরাধীর কবার শাস্তি হয়?
Right, Mamata Banerjee there, the Chief Minister of Bengal, responding to the verdict that has been given by the Supreme Court today as far as the recruitment scam, the teacher recruitment scam is considered in the West of Bengal. The Supreme Court has upheld the dismissal of the 25,000 teachers who were recruited under this case. And now, of course, the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, saying she cannot welcome this verdict. My colleague Ritik Mondal is joining us for more on this. Ritik, what more do you have? The Chief Minister saying that she has to accept the verdict, but she cannot welcome what the Supreme Court has said.
Right. She is not welcoming the Supreme Court verdict. Remember, following this verdict, which resulted that jobless of nearly 26,000 aspirant teachers who have been teaching in government-run schools for several years, and it was a big hope. They were fixing their eyes to the tax code, in which the tax code today upholding the High Court, Calcutta High Court order, and called the entire panel illegal, and that also triggered a massive political row. Mamata Banerjee stated that following the Supreme Court verdict, the state government and the Teachers Recruitment Authority, the board, the SSC Council would be initiate to process the recruitment of the teachers within a time frame manner. The 3 months time has been given by the Supreme Court in this order, so which is why she is going to initiate. But she also assured the aspirant teachers that she is with them. There will be justice, and also she went on record alleging BJP and left for conspiring against the state. They said that in a way to deface the West Bengal and to impact the school education system. It was a conspiracy created by BJP, which is why that they dragged this issue to the court. Also blame the former Calcutta High Court judge Abhijit Gangopadhyay, who is the member of parliament for the Bharatiya Janata Party, who gave the Calcutta High Court verdict. Earlier also, she blamed himself. So what we can see that massive, this big development also triggering a political row today. Back to you.
Yes. All right, Ritik, thanks very much for joining us with the latest that's been happening in West Bengal. Supreme Court giving that setback to the Mamata Banerjee government in the teacher recruitment scam. From West Bengal, let's shift our focus to Hyderabad. The big breaking news coming in regarding the Hyderabad University land row, the supreme setback for Telangana government as well. The top court has stayed the entire matter, saying they cannot take law into their hands. The Supreme Court also has said there should be no further tree felling. Remember, despite the High Court's order directing the state government to stop tree felling, students at the campus have claimed that overnight tree felling did continue. In fact, students had backed up their claims with videos that have been circulating on social media. The top court now staying any further tree felling on the campus. So this row, remember, is regarding the land row where tree felling has been opposed by students there. The High Court then eventually directed the state government to stop the work in Kanchagachi Bauli for at least a day. But students then claim that from yesterday till to this morning, that is overnight, tree felling did happen on that particular land stretch, and that is why the Supreme Court now saying that the High Court's order should be followed. There should be no further tree felling. My colleague Shamit is getting us more on this. Shamit, the Supreme Court now giving a setback to the Telangana government. No further tree felling is what the top court has directed. This went on, as students claim, despite the High Court giving the order to the state government of not having any trees being cut on that land.
Well, that's true. First, it was the High Court, and now the Supreme Court, it has clearly stated that what was the alarming urgency to start deforestation activities without following our orders, and a report of judicial registrar alarming pictures, and hundreds of trees were cut. Several numbers of JCBs and other machineries were present, and peacock birds, deer, animals were also seen in the area, indicating inhabitation of animals. So basically, the Supreme Court, has come down heavily on the Telangana state, and basically Telangana state government, and also stated that we had reiterated to the effect that no steps should be taken by union or state to cut trees, reduction of forest land till compensatory land is provided. So basically, Supreme Court has stated that no more cutting of trees until further orders, and we'll have to wait and see.
Okay, Shamit, stay with us. We're also getting another breaking news of one student being arrested by the Hyderabad police. He's been held for posting fake video on social media. The student is likely to be produced before the court. Shamit, what more do you know? What more details do we have? What has happened? What is this video all about?
Well, yes, one student from the Hyderabad Central University was arrested by the Hyderabad police, and actually what charges have been framed, and for what video he was arrested is not yet known, but he has posted a video on social media platforms, and for that reason, police stated that he has posted a fake video on social media platforms, and which has created havoc, and which also spread misinformation is what police have stated, and police sources have stated, and he is in the custody of police and will be produced before the concerned court is what police has confirmed, and further official details are awaited.
All right, Shamit, thanks very much for joining us at the moment with those details. Of course, we'll have to wait and watch what reasons the police gives for arresting that one particular student, claiming that he posted a fake video on social media. Moving on, in an attempt to increase